Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are here to review miniso compressed mask, and today I'm going to tell you in two different ways how you can use these compressed facial masks. These are 40 pieces and I got it in 400 rupees, so that's quite cheap because it provides great facility and they're the best as compared to the sheet masks that you buy off from stores. They're around 250 to 300 or sometimes 450 for each piece, and these are 40 pieces. You can make your own remedies and use it in many different ways. So today I'm going to show you two different ways in which you can use this compressed mask. So let's see the first remedy that we are going to make, and we are going to use this mask. So here I am putting this compressed mask in an empty bowl, and now I'm going to spray this hydration mist, which is from Manakadar, and I got it from USA, and it's a hydrating mist. If you don't have this, it's okay. You can use any rose water or any hydrating mist that you have. So simply to make it more watery, I'm going to spray it on my mask, and you're going to see how it will swell up after it absorbs. You can see it's swelling up already. So you can use any kind of rose water or anything like that instead of this mist. It's not necessary that you have to add the same things that I'm going to add, because not everyone has the same product, so you can add products according to your skin type. Now I'm going to add my favorite serum that I use, and this is from The Ordinary, and this is alpha arbutin 2% HA. It's for pigmentation and for complexion and dark spots. So I'm going to add a few drops of it. You can use any serum that you use in your nighttime routine, or any other serum, vitamin C serum, or any serum that you use. Or if you don't have any serum, it's okay, it's not necessary. Now I'm going to add tea tree oil, which is great for blemished skin. It is great for acne, and if you have any other essential oil, you can add it or you can skip it as well. So the next thing that I'm going to add is my favorite moisturizer. This is from Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel. I have discussed this earlier as well. This is my favorite one. If you have any other moisturizer, you can add it, and you will make your mask. Let it soak in all the things that you have added. As you can see, the capsule has swollen up, and now the mask is ready to open. To make it more lighter in consistency, I'm adding more spray mist in it. And if you have any good toner, you can add toner as well. I didn't have my toner, so I did not add it. If you have any toner, so you can add it as well. And this is basically, I'm showing you how to make a mask from ready-made products, from store-bought products. In my next remedy, I'm going to show you how you can make a mask from home-based products, products that you can easily find in your kitchen. As you can see, now I have opened the mask as it has swollen up and soaked all the ingredients. Now you can simply apply it on your face, leave it on your face for 15 to 20 minutes, and here you go. You get all the good results, all the good hydration. Cleanse your face and apply it. So now we are going to share our second remedy, and this is great for pigmentation, acne that is not so deep, and it is great for removing suntan, for lightening your skin. So here we are going to prepare it. Things that you are going to need are, I have taken out fresh aloe vera juice from the aloe vera leaf. If you don't have fresh aloe vera plant in your home, you can simply use the store-bought aloe vera gel instead of it. Secondly, I have crushed and grated half cucumber. And the third thing is I have taken is half a lemon. Is the best to remove suntan. It helps treat acne, dark spots, and pigmentation. It moisturizes your skin, but if used in too much quantity, or like if you're using it for a lot of times in a week, it can dry out your skin as well. So it can use for oily skin as well as dry skin. If your skin is dry, use honey instead of lemon. My skin is oily, that's why I'm using lemon. As you can see, I am adding 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and then I am going to add 2 tablespoons of cucumber juice, and then half a lemon. Lemon is great bleaching agent and is known for its brightening and lightening properties. Cucumber reduces puffiness, swelling, it aids acne prone skin, it combats aging and provides hydration to your skin. So when these three things are combined, it creates a great whitening pack for your skin. It really moisturizes your skin. Lemon can sometimes dry out your skin, so it's best if you use a moisturizer, light watery based moisturizer, after you remove the pack. So as you can see, I have added the capsule. It will swell up. I'm going to open it and then apply it on my face for 15 to 20 minutes. You can use this remedy twice or thrice a week. Do not use it too much, as lemon and aloe vera can dry your skin. And this is going to remove your tan. It is going to make your skin glowy, bright, and amazing. You are just going to love this DIY. Why I'm adding this compressed mask in it is all these things are watery basically, so the mask absorbs it. As you can see, I have opened the mask and it absorbs all the good things and it makes it stay on your face. So that is why these compressed masks are very helpful and beneficial. So just try it out. I loved it, and now I'm going to apply it. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.